Hey Tony. The Celtics are playing the Mavericks tonight, but it's not on cable. Want to go to the bar to watch the game?
Collins. Hell yeah. Pub crawl.
No, just one bar. Meet me at McSwiggan's at 7 o'clock.
No way. We need to pre-game first. I'll come over your place at 6. Do you think 230 packs of Coors Light will be enough?
Dude. Don't turn this into an iffy sitch. I'll drink one beer before the bar.
Collins, don't be such a pussy. Let's start the pre-game with a case race. Loser has to shotgun a can of Four Loko.
Chill. I don't feel like getting drunk tonight. I just want to watch the game.
You know what makes watching basketball even more fun? Phoenix Bums.
Tony, it's only Tuesday. Let's save the heavy drinking for the weekend.
Collins, every day of my life is a weekend. Jaeger bombs would really help spice things up for the game.
I really just want to watch the Celtics. I have no interest in carrying you home tonight.
Stop being gay. How about we just do shots of Jameson every time the Celtics score?
Forget it. I don't feel like watching the game anymore.
Collins. You wish you could hang with me. Just because you wake up every morning remembering the night before doesn't make you cool.
Whatever, dude. I'm going to see if Sarator wants to go with me instead.
Okay, fine. What if we just took it easy instead? Maybe keep it simple with a keg stand and a few Jello shots?
You are officially crazy.
No, I'm Four Loko.